Today, we'll show you how to add an account to a quote or an invoice, either during creation or later if it was created without one. From the main menu, go to Orders, then click New Order to create a quote or an invoice. Next, select a customer. In my case, this customer already has an account linked. On the customer page, you can see the associated account along with the rest of the customer's information. If you don't want to use an account for this order, simply select Accountless Order, and the account information will not be included. Now I'll create a new customer so you can see how this works. Fill in the contact details and click Save. Notice that no account was linked during the customer creation, so the Accountless Order option is automatically selected. Uncheck it, then add a new account by clicking Add New or select an existing one. I'll finish filling out the remaining order details. Done. At the bottom, under Bill To and Ship To, you can choose to use the account's address by checking these options. If you prefer to use the customer's address, simply leave them unchecked. Then click Create Quote or Create Invoice. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the order details. By clicking the pencil icon, you can view or edit the account details. You can also remove the account by selecting Accountless Order, then click Save. Now go to List of Orders. Next, let's see how to add an account to a quote or invoice that was created without one. I'll open this invoice from my list. As you can see, there are no account details. Click the pencil icon. Uncheck Accountless Order to enable the account fields. Select an existing account. Note that you can't create a new one from this screen. If you need to create a new account and aren't sure how to do it yet, click the card above and watch our tutorial on how to register an account or a customer available on our channel. Don't forget to select the Update options if you want to link the account addresses for Bill To and Ship To, then click Save. Back in List of Orders, you can now see the account linked to the quote or invoice, along with the other order details. That's it for today, folks. See you in the next tutorial.